To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. How to convert an IRA to gold. Precious Metals IRA, Gold IRA. Safeguarding your retirement future. A comprehensive guide to converting your IRA to gold, Precious Metals IRA. In an era of economic uncertainty, fluctuating stock markets, and rising inflation, savvy investors are increasingly seeking refuge in tangible assets. Among these, gold stands out as a timeless store of value, a hedge against economic storms, and a portfolio diversifier with a rich history of preserving wealth across generations. If you're looking to fortify your retirement savings and inject a layer of security into your financial future, converting your existing individual retirement account IRA to a Gold IRA, also known as a Precious Metals IRA, could be a strategic move worth serious consideration. This comprehensive audiobook will delve deep into the world of Gold IRAs, providing you with a step-by-step guide on how to convert your traditional or Roth IRA into one that holds physical gold and other precious metals. We will explore the compelling reasons why gold deserves a place in your retirement portfolio, unpack the intricacies of the conversion process, address common questions and concerns, and ultimately empower you to make an informed decision about whether a Gold IRA is the right path to secure your financial legacy. Why gold belongs in your retirement portfolio. More than just a shiny metal. Before we jump into the how-to, it's essential to understand the why. Why should you consider converting your IRA to gold? What are the compelling advantages that make gold a worthy addition to your retirement strategy? The answer lies in gold's unique characteristics and its historical performance in various economic climates. 1. A time-tested hedge against inflation. Inflation, the insidious erosion of purchasing power, is a significant threat to retirement savings. As the cost of goods and services rises, the value of paper currency can diminish, potentially jeopardizing your retirement lifestyle. Gold historically has acted as a powerful hedge against inflation. Its inherent scarcity and perceived intrinsic value mean that gold tends to maintain or even increase its value during inflationary periods when the value of fiat currencies may decline. Think of it this way: as the dollar's purchasing power decreases, the price of gold, often priced in dollars, tends to rise to reflect this devaluation. This means that holding gold in your IRA can help preserve your wealth and maintain your standard of living during inflationary times, unlike cash or bonds that can be significantly eroded by rising prices. 2. A safe haven in times of economic uncertainty and market volatility. The global economic landscape is rarely smooth sailing. Stock market crashes, geopolitical instability, economic recessions, and unforeseen black swan events can send shockwaves through traditional investment portfolios. During these times of uncertainty, investors often flock to safe haven assets, and gold has consistently been a top choice for centuries. When fear and volatility grip the markets, investors tend to sell off stocks, bonds, and other riskier assets and seek the perceived safety of gold. This increased demand for gold typically drives its price up, often when other asset classes are plummeting. Having gold in your IRA can act as a ballast in your portfolio, providing stability and potentially offsetting losses in other investments during turbulent times. It's a crucial element of diversification, helping to reduce overall portfolio risk. 3. Portfolio diversification. Beyond traditional assets, modern portfolio theory emphasizes the importance of diversification, spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Traditional retirement portfolios are often heavily weighted in stocks and bonds. While these assets have their place, relying solely on them can leave you vulnerable to market correlations and economic downturns. Gold offers true diversification benefits because it often has a low or even negative correlation with stocks and bonds. This means that when stocks and bonds are performing poorly, as often happens during economic downturns, gold can perform well and vice versa. By including gold in your IRA, you are diversifying beyond the typical stock and bond market, reducing your overall portfolio volatility and potentially enhancing long-term returns. 4. Tangible asset with intrinsic value. Unlike paper assets like stocks and bonds, which are essentially promises or claims on future earnings, physical gold is a tangible asset with intrinsic value. It's a finite resource, meaning its supply is limited. This scarcity contributes to its enduring value and appeal. Gold also has industrial and technological applications, further underpinning its demand and value. In a world increasingly dominated by digital assets and intangible investments, the tangible nature of gold provides a sense of security and solidity. You can physically hold and see your gold, which can be particularly reassuring during times of economic or financial system instability. This inherent tangibility sets gold apart from many other investment options. Number 5. Potential for long-term growth. While gold is often viewed as a store of value and a hedge, it also has the potential for long-term growth. Historically, gold prices have appreciated significantly over the long term, especially during periods of global economic expansion and increasing demand. As emerging economies grow and populations increase, the demand for gold, both for investment and industrial purposes, is likely to continue to rise. Furthermore, factors like central bank gold purchases, mine production constraints, and geopolitical events can all influence gold prices positively. While gold may not always outperform high-growth assets like technology stocks in bull markets, its consistent long-term appreciation and its ability to preserve wealth during downturns make it a valuable component of a long-term retirement strategy. What exactly is a Gold IRA, Precious Metals IRA? Now that we've established the compelling reasons to consider gold for your retirement, let's clarify what a Gold IRA actually is. In essence, a Gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that allows you to hold physical precious metals, specifically gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, instead of traditional assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Key differences from a traditional IRA. Asset held. Traditional IRAs primarily hold stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and cash equivalents. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, hold physical precious metals. Custodian requirements. Due to the nature of physical assets, Gold IRAs require a specialized custodian, often referred to as a Precious Metals IRA custodian. These custodians are equipped to handle the storage, security, and IRS compliance requirements associated with physical gold and other precious metals. Not all IRA custodians handle precious metals. Storage. Your precious metals within a Gold IRA must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You cannot store them at home or in a safe deposit box. This secure third-party storage is crucial for maintaining the tax-advantaged status of your IRA. Self-directed nature. Gold IRAs are typically self-directed, meaning you have more control over your investment decisions, including the type and quantity of precious metals you want to hold. However, this also means you are responsible for due diligence and selecting reputable dealers and storage facilities. Types of precious metals allowed in a Gold IRA. The IRS has specific guidelines on the types and purity of precious metals that can be held within a Gold IRA. Generally, these are gold, must be 0.995 fine, 99.5% pure, and typically in the form of bullion coins or bars. Common examples include American gold eagles, Canadian gold maple leafs, and gold bars meeting purity standards. Silver, must be 0.99 fine, 99.9% pure, and can be in the form of bullion coins or bars. American silver eagles and silver bars of specified purity are common choices. Platinum must be 995 fine, 99.95% pure, and typically in bullion or coin form. Palladium must be 0.995 fine, 99.95% pure, and also usually in bullion or coin form. Important note, certain collectibles, numismatic coins, and jewelry are generally not permitted in a gold IRA. The IRS focuses on investment-grade precious metals. Always verify that the precious metals you intend to purchase meet the IRS purity and form requirements to avoid tax penalties. Step-by-step guide: how to convert your IRA to a gold IRA. Now let's get to the practical part, the step-by-step process of converting your existing IRA to a gold IRA. While it might seem complex, the process is generally straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Choose a reputable gold IRA custodian. This is arguably the most crucial step. Your custodian acts as the administrator of your gold IRA, responsible for handling paperwork, ensuring IRS compliance, and arranging for secure storage of your precious metals. Choosing the right custodian is paramount for a smooth and secure conversion process. What to look for in a gold IRA custodian: experience and reputation. Opt for custodians with a proven track record and positive reviews. Look for companies that specialize in precious metals IRAs and have been in the business for several years. Fees and transparency. Understand the fee structure up front. Custodians typically charge setup fees, annual maintenance fees, storage fees, and transaction fees. Ensure these fees are transparent and competitive. Be wary of custodians with hidden or excessive fees. Customer service. Choose a custodian that offers excellent customer service and is responsive to your inquiries. You want a partner who can guide you through the process and address any concerns promptly. Storage options and security. Inquire about the depositories they work with. Ensure these are IRS-approved, secure, and insured facilities. Understand where your metals will be stored and the security measures in place. Educational resources and support. A good custodian will provide educational resources to help you understand gold IRAs and the precious metals market. They should also offer support throughout the conversion and ongoing management of your account. Research and compare multiple custodians before making a decision. Look for unbiased reviews and ratings. Step 2. Establish your self-directed Gold IRA account. Once you've chosen a custodian, the next step is to open a self-directed Gold IRA account with them. This process typically involves application. You'll need to complete an application form, providing personal information, contact details, and details about your existing IRA, account number, custodian, etc. Account type. Decide whether you want to convert a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, or simple IRA. The conversion process is generally similar for most types, but tax implications may differ. Funding method. You'll need to choose how you want to fund your Gold IRA, typically through a rollover or a transfer. Step 3. Fund your Gold IRA. Rollover or transfer. There are two primary methods for moving funds from your existing IRA to your new Gold IRA. Rollover. In a rollover, you request a distribution from your existing IRA custodian. You then have 60 days to deposit those funds into your new Gold IRA. While rollovers are permissible, direct rollovers or transfers are generally recommended to avoid potential tax implications and penalties. Direct transfer. A direct transfer is a more seamless and often preferred method. Your new Gold IRA custodian directly contacts your existing IRA custodian and arranges for the funds to be transferred electronically or via check to your new Gold IRA. This avoids you personally handling the funds and reduces the risk of triggering tax events. It is strongly recommended to opt for a direct transfer whenever possible. Consult with your financial advisor or a tax professional to understand the tax implications of both methods based on your specific situation. Step 4. Purchase your precious metals. Once your Gold IRA is funded, you can begin purchasing your precious metals. Your custodian will typically work with or recommend reputable precious metals dealers. Consider these factors when purchasing precious metals. Type and purity. Ensure you are purchasing IRS-approved precious metals that meet the purity requirements, as outlined earlier. Dealer reputation and pricing. Work with reputable precious metals dealers known for fair pricing and transparent practices. Compare prices from different dealers to ensure you're getting a competitive deal. Storage and delivery. The precious metals you purchase for your Gold IRA will be directly shipped to and stored at the IRS-approved depository chosen by your custodian. You do not take physical possession of the metals yourself. Form of metal. Decide whether you prefer gold coins, gold bars, or a combination. Consider factors like liquidity, divisibility, and premium when making your choices. Step 5. Secure storage in an IRS-approved depository. As mentioned earlier, IRS regulations mandate that precious metals held in a Gold IRA must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You cannot store them at home, in a safe deposit box, or personally hold them. Key considerations for storage. IRS approval. Verify that the depository is indeed IRS approved. Your custodian will usually have partnerships with reputable depositories. Security and insurance. Ensure the depository employs robust security measures, including vault storage, 24/7 surveillance, and insurance to protect against theft, loss, or damage. Location and accessibility. While you don't physically access your metals, understanding the location and accessibility for auditing purposes can be reassuring. Storage fees. Storage fees are typically an annual expense associated with Gold IRAs. Understand the fee structure and ensure it is reasonable and competitive. Step 6. Ongoing management and review. Once your Gold IRA is established and funded with precious metals, it's crucial to engage in ongoing management and periodic review. This includes regularly reviewing your portfolio. Assess the performance of your Gold IRA in conjunction with your overall retirement portfolio. Consider rebalancing if necessary. Staying informed about market conditions. Keep abreast of economic trends, inflation outlook, and factors that may influence precious metals prices. Communicating with your custodian. Maintain open communication with your custodian for any account-related matters, questions, or updates. Annual fees and compliance. Be mindful of annual custodian and storage fees. Ensure you are complying with all IRS regulations related to Gold IRAs. Potential costs and fees associated with Gold IRAs. It's important to be aware of the costs and fees associated with Gold IRAs. While the potential benefits of diversification and wealth preservation can outweigh these costs, transparency and understanding are crucial. Common Gold IRA fees. Account setup fee, a one-time fee to establish your Gold IRA account. Annual custodian fee, an annual fee for account administration, record keeping, and compliance. Storage fee. Annual fees for secure storage of your precious metals at the depository. These fees may be based on the value or weight of your holdings. Transaction fees. Fees charged for purchasing or selling precious metals within your IRA. Wire transfer fees. Fees for transferring funds to or from your Gold IRA account. Compare fees from different custodians and dealers to ensure you are getting competitive and reasonable rates. Understand the long-term cost implications of these fees when evaluating the overall value proposition of a Gold IRA. Potential risks and considerations of Gold IRAs. While Gold IRAs offer numerous advantages, it's essential to acknowledge potential risks and considerations. Market volatility. While gold is often seen as a safe haven, its price can still be volatile in the short term. Gold prices can fluctuate based on market sentiment, economic news, and global events. No dividends or interest. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold does not generate dividends or interest income. Returns are solely based on price appreciation. Storage and security risks, mitigated by reputable custodians. While secure storage is mandated, there are inherent risks associated with storing physical assets. Choosing a reputable custodian and depository minimizes these risks through insurance and robust security protocols. Fees can impact returns. Gold IRA fees can accumulate over time and potentially impact your overall returns. Carefully consider fees when choosing a custodian and dealer. Potential for scams and fraud. The popularity of Gold IRAs has unfortunately attracted some less than reputable companies. Thoroughly research custodians and dealers to avoid scams or fraudulent schemes. Stick to well-established and highly rated firms. Is a Gold IRA right for you? Making an informed decision. Converting your IRA to a Gold IRA is a significant financial decision that should be made after careful consideration of your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and retirement goals. A gold IRA might be a suitable option if you, too, are concerned about inflation. If you are worried about inflation eroding your retirement savings, a gold IRA can offer a valuable hedge. Seek portfolio diversification. If you want to diversify your retirement portfolio beyond traditional stocks and bonds, gold can provide unique diversification benefits. Value tangible assets. If you prefer holding tangible assets with perceived intrinsic value, gold can offer a sense of security and stability. Have a long-term investment horizon. Gold is often viewed as a long-term investment and wealth preservation tool, making it suitable for retirement savings. Understand the risks and fees. You are aware of the potential risks and fees associated with gold IRAs and have factored them into your decision-making process. Conclusion: secure your retirement with the timeless allure of gold. Converting your IRA to a gold IRA can be a powerful strategy to diversify your retirement portfolio, hedge against inflation, and safeguard your wealth during times of economic uncertainty. Gold's historical performance, intrinsic value, and diversification benefits make it a compelling asset for long-term retirement planning. By carefully choosing a reputable gold IRA custodian, understanding the conversion process, and being mindful of the associated costs and risks, you can confidently navigate the world of precious metals IRAs and potentially enhance the security and resilience of your retirement savings. Remember to conduct thorough research, consult with a qualified financial advisor, and make an informed decision that aligns with your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Embrace the timeless allure of gold and consider whether a gold IRA could be the strategic move to secure your financial future and enjoy a more comfortable and confident retirement. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere, in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.